So question number
3.
question number 3. What is your question?
The distance of the galaxy from the Earth.
Okay, distance of a galaxy from Earth
Is 5.6 to 10 to the power 25.
5.6 into
10 to the power
10
25
raised to the power 25
meter.
meter.
Assuming the speed of light
As assuming okay, assuming speed of light that is
3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second.
3 into
10 to
10 raised to the power 8
meter per
meter
second.
per second.
Minus
Then find the distance.
is find
Then find distance.
find the time taken by the light to tell
Oh,
distance.
then find the time.
Is
Time taken by light to
travel the distance.
travel the distance. Travel the distance. Okay, so there is distance is given you, distance of a galaxy, right? You know the distance and you know the speed. So we have a formula: speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time, right? So time is equal to distance upon speed, right? Distance upon speed we have. So what is distance? Distance is 5.6 into 10 raised to the power 25 meter, and speed is 3.0 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, right? So when you solve this, 56, you know, 5.6 divided by 3, one time 3 becomes 1, 1 time 3 becomes 3, so minus you get 2.6, 8 time 3 becomes 24, you get 2.0, now 6, so it is 18 and it is keep on going 6, so it is 1.87 into 10 ki power 25 minus 8 seconds. This meter and meter is cancel out, second goes up, so it is seconds, right? So you get 1.87 into 10 ki power 17 seconds.
So 1.86 now.
Huh?
1.8.
1.86 approximation when it is greater than 5. Now, when we remove this, then we take 1 plus here, plus 1 here. Since this 6 is greater than 5, 6 is greater than 5, so we take 1 here and it becomes 1.87 into 10 to the power 17 seconds. What is your answer?
1.87 into 10 to the power 17 seconds.
So you get the same. Okay. This is your answer. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, like this, small questions are there. Come back to your next numericals based on vernier calipers.
No, right. It is on the wavelength. Yes, sir. Uh, a vernier has 10 divisions, they are equal to 9 divisions of main scale.
Okay. This is question number
2.
why not doing 1?
Sir, it is. So, 1 we have done already.
Okay. So what is question number 2?
A vernier has 10 divisions.
Question number 2.
Yes, sir.
Vernier scale has 10 divisions.
10 divisions.
Okay.
And
Then
they are equal to 9 divisions.
and main scale is equal to 9 divisions, right? Then what?
In length.
Hmm.
If the main scale is calibrated,
ठीक है.
In-
Calibrated in millimeters.
yes, sir. What is its least count?
Calibrated in millimeters.
What is its least count?
So least count
Number of leaves.
is equal to
Number.
value of one column of main scale upon number of columns on vernier scale. So it is 1 millimeter upon 10. It becomes 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. Right? Have you done this?
Yes, sir.
This is 0.1 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is least count, now. Go to the last question you have. Question number
15.
15. What is that?
A screw has a pitch equal to 0.5 mm
screw gauge pitch is equal to
0.5 mm.
0.5 mm. Okay.
What should be the number of divisions?
What should be
The number of divisions
should be number of divisions
on its head.
division on वर्नियर स्केल ना
On its heads.
ठीक है
So as to read correct up to 0.001 millimeter with
so
its
least count is circular scale least count is given you
0.001
least count is equal to 0.001 mil क्या
millimeter.
0.01 millimeter
Yes sir. With its help.
millimeter. So least count is equal to pitch upon number of columns on circular scale. Circular scale. So number of columns on circular scale is equal to pitches 0.5 upon least count is 0.001. It is also in millimeters and it is also in millimeters, right? So if we remove this decimal, then we multiply it by 1000 here, and if we remove this decimal, then we multiply it by 10. So 1 0 is cancelled out and you get 500. What is your answer?
500.
500 columns. So 500 columns on circular scale. Circular scale. What else?
So 15 was the last.
This was the question only. Okay. We have done all this?
Yes sir. So 14th is there, except 3 parts.
Yeah, exactly. Should I rub?
Yes sir.
What is that? What is your next question?
14th.
Yeah.
Figure 1.15 below shows the reading obtained while measuring the diameter of a wire.
Question number 14.
Yes sir.
What is that?
Sir, it is figure 1.15 below shows the reading obtained while measuring the diameter of a wire.
Reading of screw gauge for measuring a wire,
Diameter.
right?
Yes,
Wire.
The screw.
That is diameter.
Yes sir.
How much it is?
The screw advanced by 1 division on main scale when circular head is rotated once.
1 millimeter. 1 millimeter displaces on 1 revolution.
Fine.
So pitch is equal to distance covered upon number of rotations, number of revolutions, revolutions. So it is, distance is how much?
Sir,
1 millimeter.
so one
1 millimeter on one revolution.
so it's
One revolution.
so we have
So it is how much? 1 millimeter. So pitch is 1 millimeter. Right?
this
Then what?
least count of the screw gauge.
So, but least count, for finding least count, numbers are written there. Zero se before what is written?
So before 0 at the last is 40.
40. So there are 50 columns. Obviously, there are a number of columns on circular scale. Number of columns. Number of columns on circular scale. Circular scale is equal to 50. Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So least count is equal to pitch upon number of columns on circular scale. So it is 1 millimeter upon 50. Right? So how much it is? 0.02 millimeter, right? Or 0.002 centimeter. What is your answer?
0.02 millimeter.
0.02 millimeter. So this is, but it can be written in this also. So what is next? This was the first part.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What next is?
Oh, sir.
Huh.
This second part, the first part was 1 millimeter. The answer is
1 millimeter was the answer.
Yes,
This
sir.
was second. This was first part.
First
So
part.
we have to find the pitch. We have to find the least count.
Now diameter of the wire.
Okay. Least count. Now diameter of the wire. Diameter of wire is equal to main scale reading plus circular scale reading. Circular scale reading. Right? Circular scale reading. So what is main scale reading you have given?
Main scale reading. Sir, it is only the one division of main scale.
What is diagram?
Diagram, it is a 40 at the last.
On circular main scale, what is written?
The main scale is a 0.
After that,
0, then mm.
it is 4 millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4 millimeter, na? It is 4 millimeter. 4 millimeter. 4 millimeter plus least count into coinciding column. Coinciding column. Is it given you?
No, sir.
Coinciding column.
No, sir.
Check.
So it is not given.
You can read.
The question?
No. From the diagram, man. There is a diagram like this, no? There is a diagram like this. This is circular scale. There is, say there is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10.
On 9
So there is 40
40.
and there is like this there is the main scale. There is a main scale here, right? And it is showing main scale is having 0 here, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. This is so we said it 4 millimeter, right? And which column is coinciding with the line? Check. 40 के बाद 41, 42, 43 मतलब
7th column.
7th column.
Yes, sir.
तो मतलब 47th column. 47th column is coinciding, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have 4 millimeter plus least count is
0.02 millimeter.
0.02 into 47th column, right?
Yes, sir.
It is millimeter. It is also in millimeter. So it is 4 millimeter plus 0.94 millimeter. Is it?
4.94 millimeter.
Either. This is, so you get 4.94 millimeter. So this is the diameter. This is diameter of the wire. Diameter
Of the wire.
of wire. 4.94 millimeter. Getting this much.
Done, sir.
What done? What is next?
13.
13. What is 13th question?
A screw gauge has 50 division on its circular scale, and its screw moves by 1 millimeter on turning it by 2 rotations. When the
Okay, wait. Question number?
13.
Question number 13.
Yes, sir.
So, number of columns is equal to 50 on circular scale. Circular
Scale.
scale. And pitch is equal to how many columns on?
So 50 division
1 millimeter on 1 millimeter
on it turning
On?
it by 2 rotation.
2 rotation. 2 rotation. It means 1 upon 2 millimeter. Right?
Yes, sir.
So pitch is equal to 1 upon 2 millimeter or 0.5 millimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
This is pitch. Now least count is equal to pitch upon number of columns on circular scale. Right? So there is pitch is 0.5 upon 50. Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is of millimeter. So we remove decimal from here, take 1 0 here. So 5 upon 500 millimeter, right? 100. So we can write 0.01 millimeter. Yes,
sir.
it is in millimeter. This is the least count. Least count is 0.01 millimeter. So what do you have to find?
So we have to find the pitch. It is 0.5 millimeter. And
Pitch
second,
is 0.5 millimeter, right?
second the least count 0.01 millimeter.
Huh?
And third is the
So
zero.
this is your first answer.
Yes, sir.
This is your answer number 1. This is your answer number 2. Then what do you have to find?
The zero error. The zero error of the screw gauge.
Gauge. So what is zero error? Zero error means what it is saying?
So it is the zero of the circular scale lies below the baseline and the 4th division of circular scale.
Zero lies below the baseline of circular scale. 0 lies below the baseline
On the circular
of
scale of
main scale
of 4 division.
right? And so this 0 belongs to
4 division.
0 of circular scale, right? So and 4th column is coinciding. 4th
sir.
column is 4th column 50. 4th column, what is written there?
Sir, the zero circular scale lies below the baseline and 4th division of circular scale is in the line with the baseline.
4th column coincides. So below the line, below the baseline. So negative side of vertical axis axis. Therefore positive error. Is it? Hello, what is given to you? Positive error.
Yes, sir.
Positive error and zero error is equal to least count into and positive. So positive zero error, positive zero error, positive zero error is equal to least count into coinciding column. So least count is 0.01 millimeter and fourth column. So therefore plus 0.04 millimeter is the zero error. What is your answer?
0.04 millimeter plus.
Plus positive zero error. This is we have. Right? This was question number 13.
Yes, sir.
Okay.